Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this the NewzBeat presented to you by ladies like. Follow the beat from the studio to the street. Info with the flow keeps you sharp and in the know. Sit back, relax, enjoy the news. Follow. On the 8th of March, we celebrated Women's Day, united against sexist discrimination, from human rights to equal pay. It all started in 1908, when 15,000 women marched to New York City, demanding for voting rights and better pay. Up to today, it's still not easy. The day is marked with art performances, talks, rallies, marches and conferences. And in 2011, Obama declared March will be Women's History Month. But we have yet to achieve the original aim of gender equality. Women are still paid less and can't access equal opportunity. Women education, health and violence against them is still worse than for most men. As we fight against equality, we also celebrate women who have overcome these barriers. The theme of the year is Be Bold for Change, calling for more radical actions to fight for women of all ages, especially in Uganda, where men are still in control. Although women occupy the most important role, that's of mother, guardian of social order, and if only we gave women higher responsibilities, they could inspire the young generation to remove all gender inequalities. Female heavy metal rockers are taking over the music industry in South Africa. Our reporter Polo Raps is here with the details.
Heavy metal t-shirts and studded leather pants, leather jackets, boots with spurs and cowboy hats. This is the style of Botswana's metalheads. The loud and raucous fans of heavy metal rock that call themselves Maroc. As expected, most Maroc are men, but where are the Maroc women? Paul Shakalis, a South African photographer, has documented Botswana's women rockers. Shakalis is using his photo series to tell their complex stories. Many Maroc women are homemakers, living double lives as wives and heavy rockers. Women are expected to be polite and submissive, but Maroc women are tough and expressive. Many have been rockers since their teens, and at 40 they are still dedicated to the scene. Maroc women call themselves queens, and these queens are more than they seem. They believe girl rockers have to be outspoken and strong, since their aura is criticized and seen as doing wrong. Shakalis was amazed by their rap style, defiant and fierce instead of being polite. He believes this is important for the fight for women's basic rights. Queens defy gender roles and culture, and in leather studs and fringe they blaze a bold path for girls in the future. I'm Polo Raps, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, Polo Raps, for that report. A female Ugandan journalist is doing more than just documents. Our reporter MC Yala is here with more.
A journalist's job is mostly to document, but we know one who took an extra step. A woman doing everything she can to help. Gladys Kalibala is a freelance feature writer who became a friend and frontline fighter for Uganda's lost and abandoned kids. A woman both kind and intrepid, Kalibala has helped many forgotten children through writing her column for New Vision, bringing abandoned children back into sight. She used the power of print to share their plight. She asked readers to contact her and contribute. Kalibala deserves a tribute, so determined to give them education. She would empty her pockets for their tuition. They say charity begins at home, and Kalibala learned from her grandfather how to show compassion to others. When he died, Kalibala had to drop out of school to support her siblings, working harder than a mole. Later, she took a course in journalism and began her career at New Vision. In 2010, she began her mission, helping forgotten kids with her skill and compassion. That was 7 years ago. The rest is history. It took one extra step to change lives in this country. I'm MC Yala, reporting for NewzBeat.
Thank you, MC Yala, for that report. The Old Pajeta Conservancy in Kenya has the only 3 surviving North White rhinos on the planet, and the 2 females and a single male now decided a subspecies fate. However, before the Northern White rhinos were declared endangered, they occupied parts of Central African Republic, South Sudan, Northeastern Congo, and Northwestern Uganda. But during the 1970s and 1980s, their population was reduced from 500 to 15, mainly to satisfy Asia's demand for their horn and traditional medicine. And although the 1990s to 2003 was a period of recovery, the relentless poachers have over the years managed to reduce their numbers to 3. Scientists are now looking for an alternative way to save Northern White rhinos from extinction, since the 2 remaining females are incapable of natural reproduction. The very low sperm count of the last surviving male rhino has also compelled the Conservancy to consider in vitro fertilization to save the endangered animal by planting North White rhino embryos in South White rhino surrogates, as they are the only other species of white rhino still in existence. The last 3 Northern White rhinos are now protected by armed guards 24/7, and the Conservancy has also put radio transmitters on rhinos for extra surveillance. The South White rhinos have bounced back impressively on the other hand, as their population is now more than 20,000, according to the World Wildlife Fund. That was the news of the beat. Next week will be another hit. Still ladies like, reporting live and direct with love and respect. Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.
Follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat, follow the beat.
Follow the beat.